Planning your garden for 2025? Meet the Zydeco Fire Zinnia, a national award winner from the All-American Selection people. Known for its fiery burnt orange blooms, it will light up your garden all season long. With blooms nearly 3 inches across, these zinnias will bring a bold splash of color to any garden. Perfect for summer to fall blooming, they will sure to be a focal point in your outdoor space. Whether you're planting in beds, borders, or containers, Zydeco Fire grows upright to a height of 18 to 22 inches, making it versatile for any garden design. These pollinator-friendly zinnias thrive in full sun and require normal watering needs, making them as easy to care for and beneficial to your local ecosystem. And don't forget, Zydeco Fire is an excellent choice for cut flowers, bringing that vibrant color indoors. For continuous blooms, remember to deadhead regularly. With built-in resistance to powdery mildew and no staking required, Zydeco Fire is as easy to maintain as it is beautiful. If you're looking to add a burst of fiery color to your garden next year, Zydeco Fire Zinnia is a must-have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant spotlights. This is Gary. Bye.